What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be fixing a special car. Why is it special, you ask? Well, because this thing right here, that's my wife's car. She has a nasty dent on the fender. It was not my fault, but I'm the one who's going to fix it. Let's take a look at the damage and see what's going on. This thing happened because my dear wife accidentally turned and hit a post. So, as you know, with this one, you got to be extra careful to do a really good job. It's a nasty one. It's going to need some tension and some patience. As you can see, it's pretty deep and it goes all around the edge as well, all the way to this edge. The impact also caused some paint damage here on the fender, on the bumper, but since this is plastic, it's not gonna rust. Also, a light has a small scratches here. I don't think you will be able to see it. There we go. But we're not gonna worry about that. This is our main problem. With big dents like this, I like to use tension. This one is gonna be a little bit tricky because right here where I wanna place normally, it's already a dent. So ideally you would wanna place it here, but this is a bumper. It's not a fender anymore. But let's figure something out. Let's put on tension and find access, get to work. I removed a few screws here so I can have a good access now to this fender. Basically, all of this is open. Put some wedge here to hold this, and some plastic just to hold this away so I can move in. Now, weapon of choice today will be this flat bar, because the way it comes in at this angle is just perfect. You can change the tips. This is the one I'm gonna start with. And flat bars are really useful for the fenders because you don't need a lot of force because you're creating leverage of the tire here, and pushing goes this direction. So it's basically very easy on your body, easier than probably anything else I can think of in this situation. So let's apply some tension and let's get to work. All right, after some struggles, tension is applied. Why struggles? Because the position, the ups, the highs and lows for these two to align with this rod is really weird, but I was able to get it. So now adjust the light. I'm gonna adjust the light so I can see where to push, and time to start pushing. At this point in repair, I'll be changing my tip to a smaller cherry cap. This is an R4 with a cherry cap, just so I can get more precise pushes. This is how it looks halfway through the repair. Still have a lot of work to do. We got the body line almost back in place, except on these places, and there is a lot of cleanup work to do around. Plus, all this area is low, so we need to push this up as well. Continue on our journey. This was a very challenging repair because of all the edges, body line, and the concave area. But we were able to fix it. Let's take a look. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please press the like button and the subscribe button, as it helps with the algorithm so more people can find it and more people can enjoy it. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.